Penny, what's the matter? Watch. Penny does not like bubble wrap. Okay. What's the matter? You ready? This is actually a sequel. We've done this before, but it's always fun. Ready? Okay. Whoa! I haven't even popped it. Oh my goodness, Penny. Okay, you know what's really weird? I can't even pop this. I'm having difficulty. These bubbles are so huge, or they're strangely constructed. Penny, what's the matter? What's the matter? You are so weird. You're a little weirdy weirdo. Why? And I'm a weirdo because I can't pop bubbles. Maybe this is like a strange kind of I am really upsetting my dog. And I don't know, maybe this is some new fangled bubble wrap. What's up? Penny, what does it matter? Huh? What does it matter? Oh my goodness, you look so upset. You look so angry. No, there we go. Okay, I'll stop. What's that? I cannot even pop this. I have problems, guys, and so does my dog. Okay. In our next chapter of Penny doing silly things, today's Saturday. Come here, Penny, sit. I'm gonna give her some pineapple. This is usually pretty funny when she eats pineapple. Because, like, it's really the sour taste. And she just kind of, like, doesn't know what to do with it. But she usually likes it. Do you not want to eat it? Are you gonna eat pineapple? What's happening, Penny? You're so cute. She usually just scarfs everything down, but the pineapple, I think, because it's a little sour, she has to like. It's so funny. Vlogs, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's that little circle, like right over here, that looks like my face. And then there's going to be some other videos here next to Penny that you can check out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for being awesome. Bye! She wants more pineapple.